everyone, I'm Haulapati, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to edit your very first video using CapCut. Step editing process step by step. Even if you have never edited videos before, this tutorial is perfect for you. Get ready to learn how to edit in CapCut and give it a try, because no worries, we have got you covered. This video is designed for the people who are just starting out, so don't scroll down yet. Hold on until the very end. Are we together? Because I'm going to guide you through the process of cutting and trimming your videos. Are we together? Adding text, splitting your clips, adding music, transitioning between scenes, creating sound effects, adding voiceovers, and adding animations, all from the scratch to finish the project. Trust me when I say that by the end of this video, you are going to create an amazing video right from the start. Be prepared to jump into it and hold on tight. Because when you see the value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and the support means the world to me and to the creators of this content. So if you find this video helpful, make sure not to forget to hit the thumbs up button, because it truly makes a huge difference in the world of the content creation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video while learning the CapCut step editing process. Alright, let's dive into it.
If you don't have the CapCut app, go to Apple Store or Play Store and you download it. It looks like this. Just tap on it and it opens. Go to new project, choose a video from your gallery. Now you're gonna select it, then you click on add. So this is our video you're gonna work on. Also, we have that dashboard at the bottom. As you see, we have edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, aspect ratio, filters, to mention but a few. For now, here we're gonna start with trimming, splitting, and cutting clips. I'm gonna demonstrate how to shorten a video, split it in two parts, and remove unwanted sections. You're gonna highlight the part you don't like. Let me go in the middle here, right here. Then you go to split, you tap it. Go choose where you want to end the cut. Also tap on split. So you highlight that part and look for delete. You delete it. For trimming, you can slide the video itself and shorten it. Or you can highlight it at the beginning. You start trimming like that, as I'm doing. Also, you can go to the trim end. You do the same process. So that is all about trimming, splitting, and cutting clips. Our next move is adding text in our video by selecting text icon. Click on text. Add the text, then you're gonna type in any text you desire. Text will pop up on your screen. Now here you can choose any font you want. Go for non-pro version, okay? If you're paying for them, good to go. You can choose anywhere. You also go to style. We're gonna beautify our word. You can go to size and increase or decrease the size. You can go for colors and choose any color of your choice. Are we together? We go ahead to effects. You also choose any design you want. You go for non-pro. Once done effects, you can go to animations. Under it, we have in animations. You can go for typewriter. Any of those you can choose. We have also out. You can choose blur, fade out, any of your choice. Lastly, under animations, we have rope. So you can choose also from there. Let me choose rotate. Here you can change the speed, faster or slower. It depends on what you like. Let me give you some bonus. Here you can be able to duplicate the same text on screen. You highlight the text, look for duplicate, you click on it. Then it's gonna duplicate itself. So you go to the screen there, then you separate them like that. So that is duplicating same text on screen. Addition to that, you can drag the text where you want it to start and also to end by moving the caption bar like that, so that it stays longer on the screen. Also, you can go to effects, video effects. We have motion blurry, we have shake. You can choose from there. You can also go ahead and increase or decrease the effect. Let's go to the body effects. Body effects. It's for videos with people. You understand? You're supposed to be standing, they show your body. For example, we have apparate one for free. Under style effect, we have 3D zoom, comic, etc. That's all about effects. Let's go to speed. You click on speed. You can put it in normal or high speed, you choose. Now let's go to transitions just by clicking on animations. We have transition in, out, and combo. Under animation in, we have fade in, we have zoom out, we have fade out, then zoom in. You choose any. Let's go to our last combo. Under combo, we have full spin, smartphone one, extra. Also, you can change the timing if you want your transition to go faster or slower. Just by the little slider, move it to right to left. Like that. That's all about transitions. Another one, stickers. If you want to add any sticker, you go click on stickers. Then you choose from here. You look for like, arrow sticker, subscribe, etc. Any sticker you want. You can also drag it where you want it to start or to end. Another one, how to add sound. If you want to add music in the background, go select audio. Then you click on sounds. Under sounds, we have the recommended ones, free sounds, and even the copyrighted. Sample music, we have its beats, sad music, vlog, and rock music. Just to mention but a few. If you do download music which is copyrighted, it will give you a little yellow icon at the bottom. Are you getting me? To let you know it's copyrighted material before downloading it. Even it can give you option to change the sound. However, from CapCut you can remove the sound which is free, but when you upload it on YouTube, they will say copyrighted. Just be keen about that. Addition to that, when you choose music, it shows the blue bar. You can go ahead and increase the volume or decrease the volume. Also, you can be able to cut the long song so that you shorten it and you place it where you want it. Another one, you go to add sound effects. Click on sound effects. We have sounds like the trending one, which wow. Also, we have the funny sounds, angry sounds, tense sounds, sad sounds, nature. Also, we have cheer sounds, extra. If you click on it, it will appear in the blue bar. So now here you can slide it to match on your video. Even the duration will show up in your video. That's all about sound effects. Another one, let's go to retouch, go to face, then click on smooth. You can adjust it however you want it. Addition to that, you can go to makeup and choose from there. You can add on the eyelashes, the eyeshadows, the eyeliner, eyebrows, any of your choice. Another one, increasing the volume. If you want to increase your volume, look for volume, then you click on it. You can increase or decrease the volume of your video. Another one is removing the CapCut ending log. When you're done, don't forget to cut off this watermark log for CapCut. If you don't, it will automatically show up. So what you're gonna do, highlight it, then look for delete. You delete it. Before exporting, let us check the interface. We have the resolution, we have the frame rate, we have the smart HD. Resolution, we leave it at 1080p, quite of the video. If you wanna, you can extend it to 2K. Others, we leave them as they are. So that is it. Now you can export your video to YouTube, okay? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please, for more tutorials just like this one. Remember to drop a comment if you wanna advanced tips next. Ciao!